Hello, in this video I'm gonna check if it's possible to install GCam on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. To do this, we're gonna need to install a third-party app that is called GCam that allows you to check if it's actually possible to install the GCam. So let's wait for the download. And after a while, we should be able to open it. There we go. And over here we can see that the camera to API module is enabled on this device, so technically it should be possible to install a GCam. However, the GCam for this OPPO device has not been found, as we can read over here, and the developers of this app have not tested this device yet, and we can send the request for GCam. Now we can also try to get a GCam for similar device. So if you go over here, if we can find a similar device that has GCam, then we can select it here. Unfortunately, this is not the case. So if you're watching this video a little bit later, then you can try to install this app by yourself on your device and check by yourself if it's now at that point possible to install GCam. But unfortunately, as of the day of recording this video, it is not possible. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!